Okay, intermediate tap dancers. Hi, I love you. All right, you guys, it's Charon Tap Star here sharing love to help you surpass your personal best. Okay, you guys, so today we're just going to do warm-up stuff, okay? Okay, so just follow along on this warm-up. You guys know this part. This is just something that I'll have up that you can do if you want to before you come in and do tutorials, okay? All right, let's go. Just follow along. You ready? This is our tempo. Heel. Other tap. Heel. Other side. Heel. Other tap. Heel. Good. 4. Other side. 2s. Singles. Good. Select, select, select. 7 and then stamp. 7, stamp. Other side. Make sure you're sticking it. Stick it. Stick it. Stamp. 3. Stamp. 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 Here comes singles. You ready? We're doing 8 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right, you guys. Good job. Let's go ahead and do shuffles, okay? This is our tempo. 1, 2. Here we go. 7 in the stamp. 3. Singles. Circle your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, front to back. 3, now back to front. Any direction, singles. Switch it up. Good. Excellent, you guys. Okay, come with me. I'm going to turn around. Reverse. Control your body. Back to your toes. Watch. Reverse. Back to your toes. Oh, that was horrible. All right, you guys. I started to talk to you, celebrated too soon, and flop the N. Anyway, you don't flop the N, though. Every sound and clarity is important. Be a star. All right, you guys. So now I'm going to do slaps again, but you're going to add a heel, okay? Slap, heel. Okay, here we go. 2, ready. Let me face this way. Ready, and 7. Other side. Stick it, stick it, stick it. Intention. Intention. go 2 slow and then 4 double time, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, this foot goes. 1, double, single time. Double time, single time. Double time, single time. Double time. I'm so proud of you. Start with this leg now. 1, 2, here you go. You guys, good job. Give me this for now and then we're done, okay? We want to keep this kind of short. I'll give you different types of warm-ups later on, all right? Okay, so just give me this now. Okay, I'm going to face this way. Start with this one first. 1, 2, here we go. Last time, this side. 1, 2, here we go. Good, you guys. Let's do a couple cramp rolls. I like to lie a lot. I say you're done and you're not. Let's do some cramp rolls. And this is really the last thing I'll make you do, okay? Come on and just join in. Cramp roll, cramp roll, cramp roll, cramp roll. Roll, 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 roll. Proud of you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for joining me on this warm-up number 1, I guess. I love you so much. Do this every day and be really intense or intentional about the clarity of your taps, okay? Go. Very clear. Very clear. When you step, make it intentional. When you heel, intentional. Weight shifts, intentional. Balance here. So you can control that part, all right? Just so much beautiful things for tapping. And I am so happy to share with you here. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe and like. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at @OneHooferLove. Charon Tap Star out. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go! Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go! Show your appreciation. Like this video now.